Scaffolding can be described as a temporary elevated working platform. Scaffold erection is a skilled job and should only be done by trained men working under an experienced foreman. A well-constructed scaffold is one of the keys for safe working at height. There are lots of hazards for the people working in the scaffolding, such as fall from heights, struck by falling debris or tools, electrocution, scaffolding collapse. Human errors are one of the causes of these accidents. If people using the scaffold ignores basic safety precautions, mishaps can occur. We at NAJMA can teach and train your team on the safe erection and dismantling of scaffolds. With our training, your team will have a thorough understanding safety precautions required while erecting and dismantling scaffolding. Don't wait, come join us to make your workplace safer. Call one of our customer-friendly staff now. Email us on najma@emirates.net.ae. Visit us on www.najmaconsultancy.com. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter.